punya shandur siya. Shandur siya. Ngas nga okay pero yun. Pwede niya siya din kilang ayo to off na siya kalat na ito kini habaryo day. 4,000. Chalo. Saman ki we're too poor for this. Day 2 lunch guys. Hello buddy. She'll take one. She'll go in. Hi ma'am. Jain fees going to bye. It was fun guys at Ratsa Pavilion. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Friday Sana Baby Girl and today we are here at Ratsa Pavilion in Mawiong. There's wedding going on. That's where we enter from. Let me show you inside. That's the restaurant inside. Wow, see this things here. It looks so pretty. Tree. That's the washroom. Oh, I was gonna go to meals. Let's go. Guys, my favorite mirror. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness me. Outfit check of course. Huh. I look like those people who goes for, I don't know. Whatever. We were supposed to wear whatever clothes today, but we didn't know that. So we came here with formals. The restaurant. It looks so cool. Opening these stuffs. So I have to charge my phone because my battery is dying. So we have unwrapped this and so this lakadong turmeric. We're in this place here. Let's keep this back. There are many of these. The bags are here. There are 2 bags. We're with the bags. We're done 100 of them. We kept all these turmerics there. And here we're going to complete for 250 bags. So see you later. Guys, nilayad up hangni. This 150 and 100 here. Lunch time guys. Here we got dal, chutney, cucumber. I think this is chili chicken and French fries. We're having. So see you later. Now we got these 2. We have to keep this in these bags. As you can see, there are some more here. See this. 30 more in the room. Done now with the work. Now we're just waiting. Lights first. Here are the others. Hi. 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 Terus ya guys. Ini mau jadi isya no. Tarawih. Hah? Oh, ini ada mana? Here we have sandwich and tea for this. In the lift,
Day 3 na. Ito na. 2 em.
Mana, bertani itu.
Masih siya?
Oo.
Baper yung mga kalis. Wow, the music. Okay. Okay. Music ended, and we're here. Wow, guys. Let me show you the powder room. This is the hall and all. That's the other hall. And here's the powder room. The powder room. Yang ibon kami stay there, yay. These gonna be the halls. Kini? Okay, this is one. That's the main one out there. Let me show you guys. See these windows, so fancy. See, they are preparing. Very fancy. Oh, chandeliers, pretty. There is, I think, another hall out there. Yeah.
What's your lift here?
These are stairs to go upstairs. There down. Okay. There are some doctors inside. Let's not go in for now.
Hello guys. Ngantun iya fika era peti kabreu nak pelan bensum hentai. Sure lah ngal pedam klik nak stay.
Guys, ini kita ngelak football. It's just near this. Wow, so pretty. Kita ngelak guys. So let me show you. A cafe. Yep. So kasi may ali join ba kita? It's the second day, guys. Foxy is zonal conference. Let me show you the outside view. It's cool. As you saw yesterday, they were working there. Now they've completed, fully complete, like nearly completed. Not fully. You can see these. We're here early morning.
It's cool.
It's not even 7. They are playing football.
Hey.
Hello, buddy. What is he doing?
Hello.
Hello, buddy. Another one is Hello, buddy. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. It's nice. These are the rooms. Nice. Workshops have started, guys. This is one of them. 2 others are inside the halls, downstairs, and one is upstairs. Hall Nongkram is upstairs, Sukra downstairs, and this is Hall Wangala. Yeah, you can see that. What's going on?
Extremity 4 limbs has to be seen with 3 segments, hands and feet with normal orientation we have to note.
Primarily in the sense, especially because you're dealing with gynecological surgery, so it's lower down. So in such cases, it's generally in a difficult anatomy.
We're here helping to give lunch. Day 2 lunch, guys. This is potato, chicken, chutney, cucumber. Okay, so she's having.
That is posh act by none other than our Vice President Dr. Shaman said.
30 and the programs are going on.
Is painting or coercion of a sexual nature or the
itself. Can I study? No.
Tea time. Tea. Sandwiches. Just gonna go down. Yay, the lift has opened.
The lift what?
No. See.
Put on fan.
Hi. Kan sa paging requirement off ka fan.
Hello. Stop.
Listen to the music. Oh my god. Hi. Kung palayolit mentas ni komen ha. We're here almost reach Gari Khana. Day 3's breakfast. It's roti and chana and tea. Hi Saman. Ilala style na. Full in white. Najabo at talas mo bang? Okay.
Which will be delivered by our dear President Sunita Sandulwalkar Madam. So now to chair this session, may I call upon our patron, our father of our SOC Society, Dr. Sam Pudar. Please sir, can you come on stage?
Including chromosomal microarray.
Samanki has this on Monday about
So
this.
the different types of mutations
Second
that you
division.
see usually are substitutions, deletions, and
Improvements, quality control, academics, so many features are there in a hospital. So you have to see that all this goes properly, then only you can give a good services. Apart from that, biomedical engineering, waste management,
Here at the
HR
Bangala
management,
Hall,
IT, biotechnology,
doctors.
safety, fire safety, even the water.
Mass also lost, and that may be permanent. So it's very important your muscular activity and protein requirement. Second thing is your
Escaping and
sequencing
falling
in the
out of
breast.
sorts of the wind.
Never start with carbs. Never start with sugar.
See.
Always have
Tree lunch guys. Naga style chicken, chutney. Oh, you lah English ni. Biscuit. We're here having. So, why is it? We're going upstairs. See my shoes. Hehe. You're here in the Nongkram Hall. You guys have seen this programs going on. See, so many people are watching. That's the dining area. Let's go downstairs then.
I will be contesting for post of President Proxy. So today's topic from clinic to courtroom, and all the learned panelists already introduced. I never learned from someone.
Wow, my shoes so pretty. Pay someone?
And if two people
Tingnan natin ang
agree,
habi.
then one of them is not.
I see nothing.
See
Diba
how
tulapit?
panelists differ
I see
during
nothing
the
yet.
discussion
Let's harupin.
from each other.
Tea time, and look where we are to enjoy the view. Guys, we're here in the stalls. It's so cool. Let me show you from the front. I got gold, guys. Here. Yes. Oh my god, I love the bangles. 4,000. सामान की क्या कल हम
मैंने वो हेल्प करी सवार में आने
कल ये फिर से खुलेगा सिर्फ आर्च चलो सामान की we'll do pour for this. Should I tell people to say hi? We don't stay. Jump hit. Itu balik itu. Okay, they have all wrapped up. So less stuffs. Shalkal. Oh, shalkal. What is this? These all related to medicine. Acha, doctor. Okay, doctor. This is how it looks like from outside.
Tesamya, lapos drum.
Ahem. This dan shibun hani ta. You have to be careful. The fiur ta fila drown hani. Yeah, that's safe. Somebody's calling me, Abshwa.
Everyone thinks I'm a doctor today, so I'm very happy because I'm the future one. Future software engineering.
Somebody called her Sonam.
Somebody call 911.
So much doctor. See this? Foxy with Yuwa 2025. Water. You see here. Water and water and water. Water is so water. Last session over, guys. Yeah, saman kila yung spot kat nasi insurance tasi. Everyone's going. Hello. Oh, hi, Hussein. Hi. Kini ya, Q&A. Q&A kini ya.
Uncle Chips.
Kum tama. Hab dalek keti kum tu. Peni biang filek kum nak keti. Peni. Hab dalek am tu. Hab lang puki ta. Puki. Mana? Okay, so guys, this was it for the third day. Yep. See you tomorrow. Last day, guys. We are here. Dan beriutan hira. When we reached here, it was only Dr. Rida, that's our car, and just us and the dog. The breakfast is tea, bread, butter, sausages, and eggs. 0.5
to 1% of all
First program of the day in Wangala Hall.
So this is very important because we should remember that most of the time extragenital endometriosis will present to
Not all have come
non-gynecological
yet.
departments as well. So which is why awareness is very crucial.
less.
So you can go ahead with simple hysterectomy as such, but first be mindful to see what histological grade they have given, low grade, high grade, with endometrioid adenocarcinoma. However, if it is any other like high grade or serous, any other histology, then those are all these,
Somebody gave me iPhone.
So awareness is good. There will be ablation of the vaginal mucosa, so there will be discharge will be for few days. But in the hypo, it works. It penetrates up to the deeper layer of the vaginal mucosa. Conclusion, hypo treatment technology is a safe and effective solution for various gynecological applications. It's a non-invasive, pain-free and convenient treatment option, and it helps to restore functions and confidence in women post-childbirth and menopause. And it promises.
So gestational age is basically how old are you, and it will only tell you how much the baby's ages. It will not tell you how much the baby has grown. So for growing, you have to.
26 in appreciation from Shillong Obstetric and Gynecological Society for delivering this President-elect oration here at Shillong on 9th of November 2025. So it's our pleasure to hand over this plaque to Dr. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
We're ready for the sessions. One hall, that's the hall, and you can see the view from here. That is Wangala halls, that's where the stalls are for the trade. Hi Nari.
For the screening, because of the ease of the performance and because it is non-invasive. So these are the screening camps which we have conducted, and till now we have successfully completed your screening.
So, and also we are planning to roll out Tripura also has extended our support and 89% of the hospitals are
vegetables.
And we are planning to roll out in the rest of the other northern states like
Vegetable.
These are our champions. Many thanks to all of you. And so these are the glimpses.
ECD based on this selection, and since the highest scoring team was Team Odisha, so can you please stand up, Team Odisha? So out of these 4 balls, you need to select one. Unfortunately, we don't have the placard, so Team A, B, C and D will go this way. Team Darbhanga, Dr. Mohini, Dr. Nahid, your choice. Which ball? Golden. Okay, Team C. They are Team C. अपने से आकर बैठ गए हैं sir. They have 0. We'll move to the next team.
Okay, we can give you. So they have scored 10 marks. Total of 10 marks is 14D. Okay, so now coming to team.
I'll not display the second question. Suppose you are not knowing first question, don't waste time. It's a humble suggestion, don't waste time. You say pass ma'am, and then only I'll display the second question. Otherwise, you have only 1 minute for 10 questions.
Here's pulao, chili chicken, and chips. Potato chips.
To request wholehearted support of each and every member of Shillong Society. Everybody will be involved in some. You have to give up your practice. You have to give up your hospital for 2-3 days, but you'll have to work during the conference.
It is my privilege and pride to deliver the valedictory address. Over the past few days, we have witnessed an extraordinary exchange of knowledge, ideas and innovations in the field of obstetrics and gynecology that aptly satisfy our theme, innovate, integrate, inspire.
तेरियां दावां मुंडा मार सुटिया तू कादा दिल लुटिया तू मैनू छड्डिया ना कक्खे दा.
So this was the end of the vlog of the 4 days event at Ratson Pavilion. Oh my god, it's so bright. Yeah, at That's in Pavilion. Till then, see ya. Bye bye. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.